Lincoln V12. I finally got the cam. I had one tight bearing. Took a long time to get that straight. I like to install the cam first. Make sure you put a lot of lube on it. And then make sure these areas where the bearings go are free of debris and free of oil. And I just kind of very lightly sanded them down and wiped it all off. And so what I like to do is install the caps and check clearances with the crank here and make sure it's not too tight. So do that right now. All right, here they are. The bearings are all in. Main caps are kind of halfway torqued down. And compared to the crankshaft, they all read about 2 to 3 thousandths clearance. So I think that's what we want for this thing here. So now I'm gonna break this all apart and clean out all the oil holes really good in this thing, and put some lube down here and check it out, make sure it turns freely. That is next. All right, this sucker's heavy. I wish I had help, but don't want to spin it too much, get the oil, the assembly lube out of the mains, but it's looking pretty good. Rotates. The thrust seems to be good, not too tight. Anyway, about to put the caps on. I think I want to put a little, this is a slinger, obviously what you see here, but I think I still want to put a little RTV in here, clean this up. Okay, a little bit more videos here, a little bit more to this video. Oh, come on, there it goes. Progress this week: camshaft installed, bearings installed, cam installed, and little tidbit information. The the Lincolns seem to have a unique horseshoe that's thinner and smaller, so I've been making all these Sharpie lines here, and let's see if I can have a finished one. Kind of making these out of them. I Googled about maybe these are 21 stud type, the older, smaller ones, or if these are unique to Lincoln, I'm not sure. Didn't see any different skinny ones like the original ones here on eBay. So rather than try to chase them down, takes me about a minute to grind these down into these shapes, and got these all traced with a Sharpie here. So that's the progress this week. See you next week.